you to live like Methuselah and die being poor. My brother also make money. When you make money, you go chop life. Person will make money, you don't already make heaven. Pastor go they pray for you. Everybody go they pray for you. Even politicians go they come your house. When you make money, you make heaven. That is just it. So join us on the live show. We are doing a live show on 24th of June. Make sure you are there. Ticket 500 naira regular and 1000 naira VIP. It's very cheap. You can come. Just join us at Agro Palace on 24th June. We are making it live there. So be live there. On the same moment, we thank you for appreciating. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. And thank you for many more time more to come. Thank you. We love you, our fans. Don't forget to subscribe at La Cruz. La Cruz is still the best. And we also have to appreciate the special fan, a queen in our zone, her name Queen Nelly. A happy birthday. Thank you, Queen Nelly. Much love to you and much more support from you again. Thanks for supporting everything. We love you.